hey, it's me, your lean green dream queen, Olive Cox, and welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Zodiac Makeup Challenge. And today, it's Leo season. So for all you ferocious felines and loud Leos, this is your makeup look. So take a seat. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. If you know a Leo, you'll understand. All right, so I'm gonna go shave my face, do my base off camera, and I'm gonna map out one of these eyes, and I will be right back. And I'm back, y'all. As you can see, I have a one eye done. I pointed to the wrong one. How embarrassing. So I have one eye done, my base all complete, and we're gonna get into this eye. So for today, the look is inspired by Leos. For those of you who don't know, Leo, they're fire signs. As if like it wasn't obvious. Like they're in your face, loud, obnoxious, but you know, essential. So for this look today, well actually the Leo colors, it's like based off of fire. Like orange is like their main color, and then like yellow, red, gold, like all those. Like love that for them. So this eye is inspired by that. So I have like some like red in the crease, some orange in the crease, then I have like an ombre going on the lid, fading into black. We love it. It's cute, gorge, all matte, so that's a little different for me. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. First, I'm dipping into the shade Redemption in the NikkieTutorials palette, tapping off the excess and blending this all in the crease. And right now I'm placing the color where I want, and then I'll blend her out after. Well, I'm doing a little bit of both as I go. Right now I'm gonna map out my liner, cuticles. Next, I'm taking a slightly denser brush and I'm dipping into a red shade. The shade's called Mika in the NikkieTutorials palette. Tapping off the excess and focusing it lower in the crease. For those of you who don't know, I'm a Pisces, and like Leos are a lot for me. Like we're like opposites. I am a water sign, they're fire. But listen, I can put out a flame or two if I need to. So, you know, we like, opposites attract. We balance each other out. Sure. Next, I'm dipping into a black eyeshadow and I'm deepening up that crease. And this will also help me map out where I want to cut the crease. And I decided to do like a graphic like white liner, like above the crease too, because you know, why not be a little extra? Because you know, Leos, it's fitting. Yeah, if you think of a Leo, their little symbol thing is a lion. So like, you know, lions are like ferocious. They are tenacious. They are like brave, strong. Good for you guys. I'm a fish. Next, I'm highlighting the brow bone with the white. While also being attacked. Ugh, I'm giving you all the warm tones today, except for the lip. Next, I'm taking an eyeshadow primer on this flat synthetic brush, and I am cutting my crease. You son of a bitch. Next, I'm placing a white shadow in my inner corner, just to highlight that and bring as much light as I can there. Then right next to that, I'm taking the shade Voila from the NikkieTutorials palette, and I am placing that right next to that white. Then on the other side of that brush, I'm taking the shade Redemption, and I am placing that right next to that yellow. And I'm dipping back into that yellow and reinforcing it while also blending it into the orange. We don't want any harsh lines here. The only harsh lines I plan on doing is gonna be the white liner that we're gonna do on top of it. I expected more from you. Just kidding, if that's your gig, then like, you know, do it responsibly. Is that a thing? Oh, there's that red. And this is the shade Mika, and I am taking that on the same brush, dipping back into that orange and reinforcing it while also blending it into the red. Just with a tapping motion. Guess what time it is? It's liner time. Leos are creative, passionate, generous, warm-hearted, cheerful, and humorous. Next, I'm taking a black eyeshadow and I'm meeting the two liners. I'm also taking that and blending it into that crease. Sorry about that, my camera cut out. While you were gone, I added the white liner on top. And now I'm gonna add the white liner to the bottom and the waterline. And right under that white liner, I am lining that with a brown liner. Well, it's actually like an eyebrow pencil, little pen. Next on the dense brush, I'm taking a little bit of the red shade and a little bit of the black shade, tapping off the excess, and I'm smoking out the lower lash line.
Why gotta be shade?
Because you know, Leos are shady bitches. Well, they can be. They have the potential to be shady bitches.
I know a few Leos. That is accurate.
Yeah, I know. I speak truths.
I mean, that attribute is not unique to them.
Tell it to co-star.
I know Pisces are two that can be real shady, but
If you can't read yourself, how the hell you gonna read somebody else? Because he's a Pisces, so. And I am blending it into the top liner as well. We're going for a smoky look because, you know, when there's smoke, there's fire. Next, I'm dipping into the red shade and I'm smoking out that black. And next I'm dipping into the orange shade and I'm smoking that out. Bringing it down even lower. You know, I keep on looking at myself. I'm like, something's missing. The lash.
who needs a lash?
Everyone.
Imagine the kind of world we live in if everyone put on a lash.
Like brides who like, I don't want a lash. You know, I just want to be natural. You want a lash. Put the damn lash on. Next, on a fluffy brush, I'm taking the shade Voila and I'm smoking that out. Just to add some yellow because, you know, I put it on the other side and, you know, didn't want to forget this side. That would have been embarrassing for me. And, you know, yellow's in fire, so there's that. And it's part of the Leo color spectrum.
You know what's not part of this? That's part of fire. Blue.
Yeah, I saw a few different like websites. Like some said that like there was like a blue involved, some said that there was like a purple involved, some said there was like a green involved. It was inconclusive, so I was like, I'm just gonna stick to these ones. Cuticles.
Water print cat suit with an actual cat suit, like with cat ears and a tail and titty cutouts.
We love a good titty cutout.
Like I said earlier, free the nipple.
Free the nip. Yes, that cut off, perverts. I'm gonna go put on some mascara and lashes off camera to save some time, and I will be right back. Excuse me. Also, excuse me. I had to undress a little bit. Don't mind me. Cute. Next, it's time to add some beauty marks. And for my beauty marks, I usually just go over my natural ones. Next, I'm going to some blush and reinforcing it because I feel like we lost some of it while we were doing our makeup. I should have did that first. It's fine. Going back into that blush and reinforcing it. Before that, I had to set my foundation one more time. And then just a tad lower than that, I am taking a reddish color blush and I am just adding that further back. Just to add a little more of a fiery tone. Fitting for Leos once again, fire signs. Then again, they're like go-getters, they get shit done. And like everyone wants to be around a Leo. So like a lot of like famous people are Leos. They're like the loudest person in the room. They command attention. It's honestly too much. It's like, daddy, chill. Now I'm dipping back into my bronzer and reinforcing that. Focusing it on the high points of my face where the sun would naturally hit. So I'm taking my contour shade and I'm reinforcing that as well. Just on the hollow points of the face. Just create as much shadow and depth as you can. Create the illusion of a cheekbone. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna cut somebody with that. And for my contour for drag, I take it like from my like sideburn down to like almost where my mouth is. Almost. Don't connect it. Let's not get crazy. Oh, it's starting to look like a little sunrise.
Sunsetty. Sunsetty vibe.
I was going to say that at the end. Time for some setting spray. Leo's weaknesses are that they're arrogant, stubborn, self-centered, lazy, and inflexible. Sounds about right. I'm gonna have to replace this. dripping. This is my truth, guys. Anyway, so I'm gonna go fix this blush and get the rest of my drag on, and I will be right back with the finished look. And this is the finished look, y'all. This fiery lion Leo look is all finished. How do we feel about it? I look like I am about to like start some shit. I look like a Leo about to like, you know, get in your face, about to tell you what you want, how you want it, when you want it. Like, I feel like I'm like a part of the Fire Nation with this look. The reds, the warm tones, all of it. It's like kind of it. Oh, and then, like with the leather, like I kind of feel like a badass. So as you can see, I incorporated all of the Leo colors on my eye. I did like a little ombre moment. It's like super cute. Like reminds you of the sun. I also paired this like makeup with this hair because I thought this like was the hair that looked the most like a lion's mane. You know, Leos are like natural like born leaders. So like, I guess they have that going for them. Like, Leos can go ahead, be king of the jungle and stuff. I'll be a Pisces, I'll be in the water because like, what is the earth made of? 70% water. You take your little jungle, your little Leo, your little jungle. Get out of here with your little jungle. Classic. That one's staying in. See, this is what I get for like trying to be a Leo. Aggression's just not my nature. I think it's in. Yay! Alright, if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you check out all my other socials at The Olive Cox for more drag fun. I will see you next week. Bye. What about leather today?
The leather like zip.
Mm-hmm.
I thought that didn't fit you because you're like obese.
First of all, this is my channel, sir. Welcome.